My name is Dora. I work for the marketing department and I started as an assistant brand manager, and now I am a junior brand manager. Basically, we start everything from the analysis, and after the analysis we actually create the product, but it's really a long process. And after the product creation, we test it, and after the testing, if it's successful, then we launch it. I like working for Danone because it's really interesting, and every day I have the possibility to learn new things. If I manage to learn and to adapt it, then I can be promoted, so I have the possibility to move on. We start at the bottom, and if you are talented, you can end up on the top. You have to be proactive because it's really important that you don't execute, you just invent. I think it's really important to like working in teams. When there is a project, most of the time it is led by marketing people, but just to have the final result, it's really necessary to have the good connection and the relationship with all the other departments like finance, supply chain, and all the other departments. Actually, we have kind of global projects. But it's not so common. But when I would like to have kind of feedback or advice from other countries, what do they think, then I have the possibility to connect them. So you have the possibility to do your best and to make your ideas happen. So if they are really excellent and they are really working, then you have the power to execute it. Also, the products what I deal with on an everyday basis, I know that they have good quality, and also I see the result of my daily job. That okay, I designed a new packaging and it's on the shelves, or I created a new TV communication and it will be on air in the TV, and I can show to my friends that okay, I shooted this copy alone without my superior, and it was really a challenging project. So that from day to day I can see the result of my job. So it's really tangible. It's also about diversity. So in my own country, I also have different superiors and management members from all over the world. Diversity, then the cooperation, and local creativity and execution.